Here's Senator Rand Paul being attacked by McCain last week.
The only conclusion you can draw when he walks away is he has no argument to be made. He has no justification for his objection to having a small nation be part of NATO that is under assault from the Russians. So I repeat again, the senator from Kentucky is now working for Vladimir Putin.
And, of course, the lie is 90% of the time when they're doing those procedural deals, you don't respond or have a debate. McCain runs in and tries to sneak something through procedurally. He runs down, blocks it, leaves. Let's start a war in Montenegro. Send in troops to Montenegro. No, McCain, sorry, you're not starting a war there in the Balkans. Just like you and the Clintons did before in the 90s, to bring the Muslims in out of Albania, to take 1/3 of Serbia, and then have the news say Serbia was involved in atrocities. BS. Double the Serbs died, and they didn't start the war. Just like McCain started the Ukraine war, with George Soros brags about it, and then says the Russians have started it. Oh, the Russians only kept 15% of the country when half of it's been historically Russian, so you can't murder all the ethnic Russians. When 98% in polls in Ukraine, in the eastern part, want Russia to come back in. That isn't me siding with Russia. It's siding with sanity. You started the war, McCain. You're a globalist agent. You work with that Nazi collaborator, George Soros. When is he going to roll over like David Rockefeller? Good God. We get another 12 years of him? Till he's 101? You people are cancer. John McCain is cancer to this country.